Let's take a look at Synopsys. Now, I don't care for this company, mostly because of my Bill Gates aversion. However, the stock does trade pretty well if you can catch it correctly. And here's what we'll start with the intraday chart. So they reported earnings here. Stock plunged yesterday. And then immediately, the bounce back recovered. So this is basically right back to where it was. It did end up going red, green too. That has me wondering if we're primed to move higher here today. Now, also looking at the daily chart, we certainly have this, what looks like what, 1, 2, 3 quadruple bottom here. Let's call it 370 to 380 as the area. Man, oh man. Really, really good support area that this is coming up off of. And now we have some great targets above, right? Looks like we're going to test the 50 here. That looks like it might even be on deck here today. Then we have the 100 and the 200 basically stacked on top of each other at 445, 446. Then we have the 500 day there at 481. So to me, if this can hold this area, Tyler, especially like this really, really stiff support area, to me, it sure looks like Synopsys' next move might be higher here. Let's take a look at this. The 391 beat the 367 estimate. Sales of 2.47 billion beat the 2.43 billion estimate. They raised their sales guidance. Looks like Needham reiterated a buy and maintained their $580 price target. That actually reminds me, let's take a look at some of the other price targets that are fresh on this stock. So we have the reiteration here from Needham today. That's 580. Rosenblatt has 575. They came out with that 2 days ago. Morgan Stanley lowered it, but still went to 500. Wells Fargo lowered it and went to 450. And Benchmark announced new coverage and went to 570. So I'll be honest with you, judging by the report, judging by the chart, and judging by where analysts have their price targets here, Tyler, to me, it sure seems like Synopsys' next move is likely up, unless there's something else that we might be missing here. But looks pretty good.